Hi, I'm Tom Scarpello of Revology Cars. This is car number 328, a 1967 Shelby GT500 in silver blue metallic with Wimbledon white stripes and light blue Nappa leather interior. Today I'm going to take you on a walk around of this car and we're going to go for a drive. Let's get started. All right, 1967 Shelby GT500 silver blue metallic. The original 67 Shelby was available in Brittany blue, which is very similar to silver blue. Silver blue was available prior to 1967. The client selected this. I think you'd be hard pressed to tell the two apart unless you're looking at two cars side by side. Very, very similar, very, very pretty color, very much period correct. Wimbledon white stripes, also period correct. The front is basically 67 Shelby, except for the locking hood pins. At the side, you've got your 17-inch 10-spoke Shelby wheels, of course, the GT500 stripe and badging on the fender. Shelbys were equipped with upper and lower scoops. At the rear, straight 67 GT500 fuel cap. The only tip-off that you're not looking at an original 67 is the Borla exhaust tips poking out from under the rear valance. Let's take a look at the interior. We have a light blue Nappa leather. This is a Revology custom leather. When we were building the 65 and 66 Mustangs, one of the popular interior combinations was a light blue and ivory two-tone, the pony interior. And there wasn't any OEM leather available in that light blue color, so we had to develop it ourselves. So we did. Obviously, we still have it in our portfolio. Client chose the light blue leather. It looks great. It's period correct. The 67 Shelby was only available with either a black or a parchment interior, so light blue was not standard, but this definitely looks like it could have been a factory option back in 1967. So it's Nappa leather. It's a full grain Nappa leather, so it's very, very smooth and supple. This is a very high spec, very, very high quality leather. The 67 Shelbys came with a deluxe interior, which had a faux aluminum panel. Of course, our veneers are genuine brushed aluminum. They're laser cut to fit. The cluster is a silver color to match the aluminum veneer. And then, of course, the automatic transmission has the exclusive T-handle shifter. All right, so with that, let's take it for a drive. All right, we're driving car number 328. If you watch my videos, you know I hate the word resto mod being applied to a Revology Mustang or Shelby GT because I think what we do goes so far beyond what other companies that build resto mods do. I don't feel that the term does it justice, but I guess technically speaking, since we're using an original Mustang donor and effectively building a restored original vehicle, technically we are classified as a resto mod. But nonetheless, what you have to try to balance when you're building the world's best resto mod Mustang, if I say so myself, is the desire for improved functionality while retaining the original design aesthetic. And that's always a difficult trade-off to make. And I say trade-off because in engineering, as in life, you don't get something for nothing. There's always a compromise. There's a saying in economics that there's no solutions in economics, only compromises. And the same definitely applies to engineering. You give up something to get something else. So the architect Louis Sullivan said that form follows function. And I really agree with this. My personal orientation is towards this. To me, what works the best looks the best, but everyone's not the same. And the aesthetic element of design, the styling, for a lot of people can be more important than the functionality. They may be willing to trade off some functionality for design. And particularly when it comes to a car like this, for which, you know, a big part of the appeal is the authenticity, how much it looks like an original Mustang. So when you get into those trade-offs, sometimes the design aesthetic becomes more important than pure functionality. Case in point, is our T-handle shifter. So when we started using the Ford 6R80 transmission, we adopted the Mustang S550 shifter. That's because that transmission is electronically controlled and the shifter has electronics in it that interfaces with the transmission. So it wasn't a simple matter of a mechanical interface, and therefore we really had to adopt that full system, that entire shifter with the electronics that were integrated into it. And that's a little bit of a trade-off in terms of styling because you have a modern Mustang shifter in your vintage Mustang. Now, for me personally, it didn't really bother me that much, but it did bother some other people, including one of our investors who wanted to order a Revology Shelby and wanted an automatic transmission, but couldn't stand that S550 shifter. So we designed our T-handle shifter, which retains the electronics of the factory S550 shifter, but puts it in a package that looks like it's vintage. So the T-handle shifter is great. It performs flawlessly like a modern S550 shifter, but it looks like a vintage shifter. So it's the best of both worlds. Took a lot of work, but it was worth it. In retrospect, it was the right decision. I'm not always right. I have strong opinions about things, but I'm also looking at things from my vantage point, which is not necessarily the same as everyone, and you do have to listen to your customer. Our design philosophy at Revology is really to try to maintain the original design aesthetic to the extent that we can, but sometimes you do have to make that trade-off in favor of functionality. The wheels on our cars are an example. We use 17-inch wheels. The original cars had 14 or 15-inch wheels, but we need that larger wheel diameter to be able to package modern brakes. And that's extremely important in a car with this kind of performance capability. So that's a trade-off that we're happy to make. But the key is really to try to limit those trade-offs to the extent possible. And I think we do a pretty good job, but we could always do better. So do you have any thoughts on what we might do better to try to maintain the vintage aesthetic, but also have the modern functionality? If you do, drop us a line at info@revologycars.com.